Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Akshay and today I have another interesting SQL interview question for you guys, and this time this was asked in Fractal, okay, for the position of data analyst, and they wanted to find the family pairing from the given input. Okay, so basically the ID, it was a singular column having an ID, and it had F1, F2, F3, M1, M2, M3, and so on, and S1, S2, and S3. Okay, so what they wanted was they wanted an output like this where all F's are considered to be fathers, all the M's are considered to be mothers, and all the children's are considered to be S. Okay, so one pairing will go for the family for 1, 2 will have a common pairing, 3, 4, and so on. So interesting question, one of a kind question asked by Fractal, and I'll head over to the Postgres and show you how it is done. Okay, so sit tight and enjoy the show. Okay, so here is my table, and I've already outputted the result before, but it's okay. I'll say select star from list. Okay, and okay, so here is the table that I have with me, and it has all the entries in it, all the 15 entries in it, and I'm gonna work on that. Okay, so before I proceed, I'm gonna familiarize you with one of the concept that is called regex replace, whereby I'll be extracting the alphabets and the numbers into two separate columns. Okay, so it's a very formula, but I have saved it for the purpose of using it in my query. Okay, so if I want to extract only the alphabets, I'll use this function. Okay, so the ID represents nothing but the column name. Okay, the column name that you want to work on. Okay, column name. Okay, it can be whatever the IDs you give. Okay, and if that ID contains an alphanumeric number, it will extract all the alphabets using this syntax and all the numbers using this syntax, and this is only and only for Postgres. Some platforms might also use the same, but there might be a little bit of syntactic differences. Okay, so I'll be using these two formulas to separate the columns and to get my required result. Okay, so first things first, I have my table here, and then I'm gonna say comma I'm gonna extract the alphabets. Okay, my column name is ID. I'll say as txt text, and then I'm gonna extract my number. Okay, my number as numbers. Simple and easy peasy, and then I'll hit run. Oh, my bad, sorry, I'll use ID. Okay, so there you have it. Irrespective of whatever text or whatever number is there, it will extract accordingly. Suppose if there were double F's, FF1, FFF1, then it would have given it FFF, and the 1 would be extracted here. Okay, any number of alphabets will be extracted if it is within that alphanumeric string. Okay, so likewise I'm gonna work on this particular output, and then we'll try to get the result. Okay, I'll put this as a CTE with CTE as this to this, and then I'll do the working. Okay, select star from from CTE. Yes, so it is this, and now I'm gonna do the working. Okay, for that, the simple thing that I'm gonna use is by using a self join or an inner join, because that is what is gonna give me the results. And how I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna join them on the basis of the numbers column. Okay, because see, F1 has to match with M1 and M2 as one. Okay, so their common point of connection is the number 1. Okay, similarly F3 needs to connect with M3 and S3 with their common connection being the number 3. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna make connections and I'm gonna show you the result. Okay, so for that uh, I need to connect it 3 times. Okay, I mean I need to connect 2 times, but the output will be 3 tables at most. Okay, I'll say F1 for F for the father's table, M dot star for the mother's table, and C dot star for the child table. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the result. I'm gonna say CTE as F1 F star M star C star from CTE as, let's say, F, inner join CTE as M on F dot numbers equals to what? M dot numbers. Okay, then I'm gonna say one more inner join. Okay, CTE as S or C, yeah, C will be good, on, I'm gonna use the M table, M dot numbers equals to C dot numbers. Okay, so this is the thing that I've got. Okay, and let's run and see what do I get. Okay, I get a lot of joins, that is giving me the results like this. Okay, now I have to do the filtering. Okay, and how will I do the filtering? I'm gonna say where F dot txt equals to F for father. Let's run and see if I get, okay, I only get the F results. Now I want only the M results in this column. Okay, I'm gonna say and M dot txt equals to M. Okay, let's run and see what I get. Okay, cool. Now this column only has F variable, F related strings, and this one only has M related strings. Okay, and now the only thing that is left is I need CS related strings here. So what I'm gonna say, and C dot text equals to S. Okay, I'm gonna hit run, and there you have it. The result is almost there. So now I want only the ID. I'm gonna say F dot ID as father, M dot ID as mother, and then I'll say C dot ID as child. Okay, and there you have it. We have got the following results like this. Okay, F1 has its mother as, I mean, father is F1, mother is M1, and his child is S1, and so on. So this is one of the questions asked in Fractal for a data analytics position, and seems simple and easy peasy unless and until you understand the importance of regex replace for extracting the alphanumeric alphabets and numeric characters from an alphanumeric string. And that's it. I hope you like this video. Feel free to share it with your friends who are giving their interview in Fractal and tell them about this wonderful problem as well as the regex replace formula that you learned. Okay, that's it from my side. All good. Like I always say, keep learning, keep growing. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy working. Thank you.